here today working with LaGrange College students. It's great to see all these young people learning to care for these small creeks like this one.
Clean water, that helps out the environment, that helps out the world, you know, so it can be everything, just be more better. Grass, you know, trees, everything, the oxygen we breathe, all that goes through water first. So I'm just be definitely glad to help out with anything I can.
We are thrilled to collaborate with Chattahoochee River Keeper to do a project that is actually on the LaGrange College campus. While it's great to get out in the community and do things, this is perfect because it combines community with the college and brings us all together. So I'm thrilled to see the students out here and move forward with this partnership.